What's one thing that brings you happiness that doesn't cost you anything?
Love.
Our loved ones. Our loved ones.
Love?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think money buys happiness to an extent?
Not really.
Not, yeah. Some way in another practical way, but that's not really the number one.
We need money, but
Yeah, we need,
You need to know.
everyone.
everyone needs money, but that's not always
The driving force?
Driving force.
Awesome. Thank you guys
Thank
so
you.
much.
Enjoy your night.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Do you think money buys happiness?
No happiness, but can make you happy. I mean, buying stuff. So yeah.
What's one thing that doesn't cost any money that'll make you happy?
Spending time with my friends and my family. That doesn't cost money.
Would you be okay if someone you were dating made 2 times less than you?
I mean, I'm okay with that because is it working? Yeah, sure, I'm okay with that.
As long as he's trying to work?
Yeah, a lot of he's trying to work, just not being lazy at all. So yeah.
That's fair.
That's fair. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you. Can we ask you guys a question?
I'm on video.
You're
Yes.
sitting, so you're kind of...
What do you think about materialistic women?
Oh no.
Be honest.
So materialistic women or materialism in general, I don't agree with it because I feel like it's just a waste of resources, waste of the environment. You don't want to
You rather give it to someone that's starving instead?
storming,
Starving.
starving. Yeah, if you give it to someone starving, maybe you can bring them up to a capacity where they can contribute to society.
Okay.
So...
Would you go?
Go ahead.
How much do you think a man should give a woman a month from his salary, percent wise?
He's
Oh
like
my God.
0.
Do you want to answer?
I have the right to remain silent. Nothing I say will be used against me.
Got it. Fair enough. Just percent wise. Let's
wo-
say you make $100. How much do you think the man would give the woman out of the 100? We're talking about loyal.
He wants to know where
relationships.
they're going to spend it first.
This is about a loyal relationship.
So what are we talking about here? Are we talking about like a gift, or are we talking
No,
about
like an
allowance?
allowance.
Allowance.
an allowance? So I think the woman is capable of creating her own wealth by the work she produces.
What if she's taking care of your kids at home?
Oh, damn.
This one is like, there's no winning soul.
If she's taking care of the kids at home, so like a stay-at-home mom, then however much it costs to take care of the kids.
What about her?
Her?
Well, she doesn't
that's
care.
That's her motherly, instinct, and like
She wanted the kids to deal with it.
that's her motherly instinct to take care of the kids. So I'm providing, or not me, but whoever is, the financial responsibility to raise the kid for her to be able to stay home and take care of the kid.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Take care.
Hi,
Can
can
we
we
ask you a question? What's one thing that doesn't cost any money that brings you happiness?
Guys.
That's a great answer.
Would you be able to date a guy who makes twice less than you do?
It depends. If the guy looks really good, I'll think about that.
What's a good amount of an allowance for you that the guy should give a month?
I don't know. I'm student. I don't make money.
Maybe later when you're married, how much should your husband give to you?
At least 10,000.
At least
A month?
10,000. Nice. What about you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
guys.
What's
Thank
the
you.
video about?
Thank you.
It's
just
about
real.
money and mindset.
I'm dumb.
No, no.
No, it's all edited, so.
Oh shit! I just delayed this one. Yes. That's fine. Just take.
Just take a picture. This is hers.
Okay.
What's one lesson that you would tell the younger generation?
To grow up, get smart, take care of business, because the younger generation only cares about their skinny jeans and, you know.
Hey! I'm just kidding.
No, you guys gotta take care of this
I
world.
mean, the world is a mess.
The world is a
Now,
mess.
granted,
I tried my best in the 70s.
So it's all you.
granted, it was our generation that brought up these problems and we didn't solve them. Okay? So it's up to your generation to pick it up, because if you don't, you're going to have nothing.
Just care about this world.
Yeah, we might not even have a world to live in.
That's right. I would be really depressed if I was young.
So
Yeah.
you really got to take care of things. You got to start voting the right way. You got to get rid of these right-wing politicians that are just insane. You got to get back to a system by which democracy is working, where problems are solved, where people get together and solve problems.
What's one problem, if you could solve it today, you would solve it right now?
Well, obviously the temperature of the earth,
Climate.
climate
What
change.
about you? What is one thing you would solve right now?
I would make hunting animals illegal.
The environment.
The environment. Thank you guys so
Thank you
much.
for your time.
Thank you.
You guys.
See ya. Bye. Thank you.
Do you think money buys happiness?
Hell no.
No. What's one thing that makes you happy that doesn't cost any money?
Faith, love, respect one another, and have kids.
Perfect. One more question. How much money do you think a man should give his woman a month, percent-wise?
If you love someone, the money doesn't count, even though how much money you make or not.
You would give all of it?
Of course.
Nice. Thank you so much.
thank
Very
you.
generous.
We're gonna see this.
Instagram, you should follow us.
What's one thing that doesn't cost you anything but brings you happiness?
Oh, she costs a lot. Damn. That's
Maybe time with her, like scrolling. It's not
Yeah.
costing you anything.
Simple acts of kindness,
Simple acts of
Yeah.
kindness.
generosity.
Do you have a question, Adi?
No.
Oh, you're scared of dogs. Thank you.
Do you think money buys happiness?
I've always heard that money doesn't buy happiness,
But
it
what
gives
do
you
you
a lot of places, helps you to look for it.
Okay, what is one thing that doesn't cost any money but will bring you happiness?
One thing that doesn't cost any money that will bring you happiness. I don't know, walking at night.
Walking? Okay, fair enough. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Can we ask you a question? Do you think money buys happiness?
sort of, yeah.
What's one thing that doesn't cost you anything but makes you really happy?
Memories.
Memories. Okay.
Yeah.
How much of an allowance are you going to give your future wife?
Allowance?
Like a month. How much money would you give her a month out of your salary? Percent.
It depends.
Out of 100.
It depends, like how much she deserves.
Let's say she deserves a lot. Well, you guys are married.
How many hours of work is she putting in? Is what you
Like
mean?
we will share same money.
Okay,
So
but
it doesn't
out of
matter.
yours.
Yeah, we have same budget. Like,
Same budget? Okay. Do you think a woman should make more or less than a man? Or equal?
It depends on your work. Like if you work hard enough, you will get paid more.
Are you okay with buying her designer bags?
I guess if she wants some, yeah, why not?
What if she's materialistic? What are your opinions on materialistic women?
I wouldn't be with her in the first place. If she's materialistic, she wouldn't be with me because I wouldn't
Fair
be with
enough.
her.
He knows his values.
Very, very strong core values.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How much money is enough money to bring you happiness?
Like a month. How much would you be
month?
happy with a month?
Like 300 maybe?
$300 a month?
Yeah.
You'd be happy. Okay. What about you guys?
Maybe like 2,000.
2,000.
500 a week. Like 5,000.
5,000.
What about you guys? How
Um,
much money a month would make you
To
happy?
maintain my lifestyle, 5,000.
What about you?
To make me happy?
Yeah.
Money doesn't buy happiness.
So what's one thing that brings you happiness that doesn't cost any money?
My dog. He doesn't talk.
Would you be
Dog.
able to date a guy who makes twice less than you do?
Yeah. I don't need no guy to be supported by.
Fair enough. Thank you.
Fair enough. Thank you guys. How much money is enough money?
I don't fucking know. Like 200,000
200,000 a year.
A month or a year?
a year?
A year? Do you think money buys you happiness?
No.
What's one thing that doesn't cost anything that will bring you happiness?
My parents.
Fair enough. Thank
Sweet.
you.
Take care.
Do you think money buys happiness?
Do I think money? It buys comfort for sure.
What is one thing that brings you happiness that doesn't cost any money?
Laughter,
What else?
confidence.
Okay. How much money is enough money?
How much money is enough money? Damn. It depends on what it is.
What monthly?
Monthly?
Yeah.
It depends on your occupation. You could be like a.
For you.
For you.
For
you.
me,
Yeah.
how much is enough money for me?
From
That would
a
make you
month.
happy.
That would make me happy.
Mhm.
That's a good question. More than what I'm making now, probably like I don't know, like four bands a month.
Nice.
That's not bad.
What's a monthly allowance you'll give your future significant other?
A monthly allowance I would give? It depends.
Percent wise. Like if you make $100, how much do you think your significant other should get?
If I make 100,
Yes.
they get half.
Oh, nice. 50%. That's
my
very
portion, and They
generous.
get half, right?
That's very generous.
Yeah.
That's what I would think. Yeah.
Do you have any other questions?
No, that was all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's okay, Armenian. Okay, ինչա մի բանը, որ ուրախացնում է ձեզի, բայց ոչ մի փող պետք չի տակ, որ էդի անեք։ Ոչ մի բան։
Մենակ փողով ամեն ինչ։
Մենակ փողով էլ չի։ Բապ ուրախ լինելու։
Ձեզ ինչն է ուրախացնում, որ ոչ մի փող պետք չի տալ դրա համար։
Այդ օրը բան ունենաս, ոչ մի հիվանդություն չունենաս,
Health.
Health.
ուրախ լինես ու երջանիկ քո երեխեքով։
Շատ շնորհակալություն.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Ոչ